I'm doing a 12-day tour now around the whole island. We're heading north now. I say we. It's me and another guide. We have two guides. I have a co-guide named Edwin. I will show him to you a little later. And we have a group of 8 people eager to do landscape shooting here in Iceland. And our first stop is Snæfellsnes, which is a waterfall. The English word would be lava waterfalls. It's a lot of small waterfalls. Beautiful stuff. It's kind of unique because it kind of pops out of the lava field from no river, just from underground. And the surroundings are it's very pretty. Let me show you. Here's the viewing platform. I'm getting close to the waterfall, so you might not hear me as well, but you can see it here. It's a beautiful spot, and as you can see from there's no river up there. It just comes out of the lava field, which is really unique and nice. And you can also see the color of the river. It mixes, the water source is there, and there's also a glacier over there somewhere called Long Glacier, and that is also the water source for this river. And sometimes, if it's been raining a lot and the weather is bad, the river looks kind of muddy and ugly. But now it has this beautiful bluish color, which is really nice. Really nice photos you can get here. And for me, this is a telephoto spot. The wide angle, the entire area I feel it's too busy, you know. But you can see here, this is the type of shot I'm usually going for here. So telephoto shots, details. That's it for this spot. We are heading now to Snæfellsnes Peninsula, where I will continue making this. I'm gonna make a series, 2-3 videos from this trip around Iceland. But now I'm gonna attend to my clients a little bit. One more thing. This tour we are doing now, this round Iceland tour, it's called a Midnight Sun Photo Tour. And it's not my tour. It's a company called Iceland Photo Tours. Hello. Company called Iceland Photo Tours, and it's a big photo tour company. They do a lot. They do a lot of locations. Apart from Iceland, they do everything. Greenland, Antarctica. They go everywhere. So check them out. The link is in the descriptions. Way up to the Black Church in Búðir in Snæfellsnes. It's a nice spot to shoot. It has, especially now when we have this dark, moody clouds. It's kind of, the weather is not as nice as it were, but it's better. It was pretty sunny earlier today, so it was kind of difficult, but now it's really nice. What we are doing here, we are trying to focus stack. So what we do, we don't go really close, like he's doing here, down really close to the flowers. And if you're that close to a foreground, you're not going to be able to get focus through and through from the foreground all the way to the background. They want the church also in background, and that's a limitation in your camera. It is just not possible. So what you do, you take a lot of your focus really close, and you shoot. You focus a little further, you shoot, and so, and then you merge those pictures. You stack those pictures together. There's a video here in the corner if you want to learn how to focus stack. So now it's 11 o'clock p.m. and we just came from lunch, and it's always interesting when we have a group like this. You know, they're from everywhere around the world, they don't know each other, and you know, you have to find subject, you know, to talk about, and I find that great conversation starters are like religion and politics, and you know stuff like that you know basically everybody agrees on. Yeah, well, at least we are at Mount Kirkjufell, the most famous mountain in the world, and we're gonna do sunset here. We got some colors in the sky, so, and just look at the look at the clouds over there. This is really nice. Let me see if I. If these clouds catch more color, it's gonna be amazing. So it's really cool as is, but if we get some red in it, it's gonna be pretty cool.
Man, you better get your camera. Look at this kind of clouds. It's like Mamatus clouds. Your favorite kind of clouds. I'm not kidding, look! It's like Mamatus clouds. Damn, I'm gonna photograph.
Just Edwin. Yeah. So basically that's the frame that everybody wants. You get the waterfall on the left and the mountain. Kept a little bit of the edge, you know, don't shoot in the river. And then you got this nice diagonal line over here. It's a beautiful composition. It's just, you don't even have to try, you just point and shoot. Is it a cliche? Well, what's a cliche? It's there's a reason why people like to shoot this. It is a beautiful photo. Not everything needs to be like a deep work of art. Sometimes just people want pretty pictures.
So I like the leading line here.
Yeah.
Why is it the Sony doesn't have, you know, the colors that it's supposed to have? I'll show you.
Because Sony is crap. Personally, I'm not shooting now. You know, but I've started to rethink it because the conditions are really good, but no, I'm not. I'm just gonna do a little video and help out my participant. But I'll show you some old photos I have from this location. I've been here a few times. I have a few photos of this place. So, second day, and we are at our last stop today. We are doing sunset. It's not much of a sunset really. We got some colors in the sky. We're at Lone Drunkard, still in Snæfellsnes Peninsula. And this is our last stop at this peninsula. Tomorrow we will drive on north. And so this is the end of this video, this part. Next week there will be next part. I'm gonna end it with showing you some of the drone footage, some of the photos I took, and also other photos I have, old photos I have from this place, from Snæfellsnes Peninsula, so you can see kind of what we like to do when we are here. So I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for next week's video, where we will continue this round trip of Iceland, the Midnight Sun Tour. Thank you for watching. Bye.